Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on the best power performance mode on Lenovo G70. If you want your laptop to have better power efficiency, you can simply click on the battery on the bottom bar. Then you'll see this slider, and you can slide it all the way to the left. It'll increase the battery life but may compromise on the performance. You can also set it to somewhere in the middle. It will be balanced between the battery life and the performance, and also feel free to set it to best performance, but it will use more power for sure. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.